Hi guys, this is Sana and I'm back with after a long time. Just tried to make something today, and trust me, I just went crazy. Like I had been thinking of doing this since the day I saw this crazy stamping form from Simon Hurley creates, and as you guys know, you can use this as a stamping form for your stamps and all the impressions and like crazy stuff. I today use this as a jelly plate. Like seriously, I'm not kidding. I have never in my life used a jelly plate before. I'm not kidding, and look at this. I'm not sure if it's showing the beauty of the. This is stencil. Can you believe it? This is the first impression, and this one is the second impression. This is the second impression. I did something wrong with this, but as you guys know, I have never in my life used jelly plate before, and this looks really beautiful and real. Uh, but it's still wet a little bit. All of these. Look at this. I have actually tried lots of different techniques, and I messed up really bad with lots of them. So this was the most plainest one, I guess. Look at this. Like seriously, this is like seriously bad madness, and you can always make lots of crazy stuff. Okay, the color is not really that light, but it's a really beautiful one, and you can just try lots of things. See, this is the one I went with the first stencil, then this one was the second stencil. This is so delicate. Like look at this. This is so delicate, and this is what I came up with. Really beautiful effect. And as I have never in my life uh, used jelly plates before, never in my life. And this one as well, I've used this too much. I've never in my life used a jelly plate before. That is the reason I messed up really bad, and I didn't know where to start and what to do. I just went ahead and start using all the stuff I had. It was just madness. One thing, liquid does not work with this good. If you have dried it up or you want something different effect, then maybe it will, but no. I just wanted to show you guys that this is what I have actually used to show you that it was actually this stamping form I had used for these. As you can see from the impression, this was the last impression I did with this, and it just dried up. This is some thick paste and acrylic paste I had in my stash, and this is what happened. Look at my fingers. I tried to wash it, but it's not washing off, and like seriously, I'm like uh, I just don't know what to say. Like I guess this thing makes a person make more stuff than you could have ever imagined, and it's like this is like crazy. Look at this. Like for me it is obviously, but obviously people who use jelly plates, they know more than me, but using one thing, stamping form, for your jelly effect backgrounds, and your stamping form with the stamping form, what it actually does for your does and for it is, I haven't used the backside. I've only been using one right now. I will wash this off. This washes off really easily, and I did wash it off, and I will also upload a picture of this one later on. I've after I've washed it, and this is what it was. I really hope you guys liked my video. I will try to actually make a video soon of a small tutorial, because right now I don't have much material to for this. but obviously you can always use it as a stamping form, which it was made for, and enjoy yourself and go crazy with making lots of crazy backgrounds. Okay, take care, bye bye.